Hello everyone, como ye? I'm Jasmine, and if you are new, then please subscribe to my channel because I make videos all the time. This video is super duper special because it is with my homegirl, Miss Ambra, aka Ambra Emerald Eyes here on YouTube. We're doing a one brand drugstore makeup look for you all. You know, we're all going back to school. I know I am. We trying to save money. We trying to save our little coin for, you know, our little beat. If you guys are interested in seeing how I rock this cruelty-free drugstore one brand makeup look, then you definitely stay tuned. I'm actually going to be using all Black Radiance products. So yeah, Black Radiance is drugstore, they're cruelty free, and they cater to women of color, which is pretty awesome. Ambra will be doing the e.l.f. Cosmetics makeup tutorial. So after you've watched this video, definitely go check her out. Definitely go subscribe to her channel, leave a beautiful comment on her page, and let's help each other out. That's all I like to say about that. We are going to get started. I've already moisturized my face, and now I'll be taking the Black Radiance HD primer to prime all over. And I'm gonna put some extra primer on the eyelids for my eye makeup look later on in this video. It has a very thick consistency too, and it kind of goes on transparent too. I did not even know Black Radiance had eyebrow products, but they do. So I'm going to be taking this eyebrow product right here, and it even comes with a brush. So you know what? I am going to be using the brush, and FYI, this color, well, does it even have a color? It has like a number, but girl, I don't know. So if Black Radiance had brushes, like makeup brushes, I would straight up buy and support. But they do not, so I'm going to have to use the brushes that I do have on supply. And surprisingly, this eyebrow product is really pigmented. Like, it's crazy. You can tell a difference. I certainly can. I would prefer to use an angled brush, but I'm gonna try this out. So being that we're all going back to school and all, I might as well tell you about my first day of class, which is pretty cool. I'm going for post-production. I'm not sure I told you all already, but yeah, I'm going for it, man. I'm going. And I started school already. Today was my first day of class. One of the big things I'll have to do as a first year grad student is create a film project. And this project cannot use any sound. So this is definitely going to challenge me and hopefully make me a better editor, better collaborator, all that jazz. So I have the brows looking like something. I need to clean up because that's what I likes to do. I'm taking this here Black Radiance True Complexion Custom Concealer. This is in dark to deep. I've already used this concealer, as you can pretty much tell. I'm going to be using this lighter color to clean up around the edges to give myself a freshly waxed look. And FYI, I cannot remember a time where I've gotten my eyebrows waxed. It's been years. To be honest, I don't need it because I barely have any to begin with. And for the brush, I'm using my NYX number 14 brush, if any of you wanted to know. I like to clean up right under the eye. And you know what? This concealer is really thick, and I don't hate it. I don't hate it at all. I'm even gonna put some all over the lid to help neutralize. Just wanna make sure I don't have a unibrow like I did today. So far, so good. This concealer could get it. My eyebrows look, girl, sisters not twins, right? I asked you guys a couple weeks ago on Instagram what eyeshadow you wanted me to use. This one is the, what is this? What the hell is this? This is called Bashful, and I think this one is called Desire, but don't quote me on it. A lot of you wanted to see a purple look on this, so that's what I will be doing today. I am taking this matte purple color to go all over the lid and the crease. We're gonna give ourselves a really nice hazy purple look. And I know this is a little too much for school, but yo, this is what y'all wanted. I am going to take this darker shimmery color and give myself like a purple wing. This low-key works. Okay, I'm going in with foundation. I have to be honest with you. I'm not a fan of this HD Mousse foundation. I tried it before. I'm definitely not a fan, but I will try it on for you just so you can see why I don't like it. This is in the color Toffee. I'm gonna apply this to one side of my face, right? Just so y'all can see what I'm talking about. And I'm taking this here number 3 brush from NYX. It's just very clumpy, splotchy, and it feels like I'm not really wearing anything. Girl, let me... Like, I don't know about you, but I'm just not a fan. It is not my cup of tea, y'all. So rather than have to suffer through it, I'm going to be taking my Black Radiance BB cream. This is in brown sugar. I've definitely done videos using this before. Definitely an oldie. Oh, I think I applied too much. This is a very lightweight foundation, but it still covers quite well. Let me just pat this into the skins. My face is looking really healthy, very hydrated. I'm going in with this concealer again. While the concealer is on, I'm actually taking this cream contour palette, and I am taking this contour color right here, and we're gonna do a little bit of contour of the hollows of my face, you know. Gonna go up top there too, bring a little warmth and definition back, yes. Go on the jawline. My hands are gonna be hella messy after this. First, I want to go in with a brush and blend out the contours just a little bit. I want to do that first. We gonna fix it. It ain't too bad. Now I'm taking this spongy blender from e.l.f. to go in, and I should have done the other eyes last, but I forgot. I mean, this concealer is definitely blendable. Won't even front about that. Okay. Black Radiance does have this press powder, which I might just try out. But real quick, to set the under eyes and such, I'm taking the Sculpt in this Black Radiance powder or contour palette, I think it's called. So I'm just applying just a very light layer, no baking. No baking. Let me try and go in with this. Well, that ain't horrible, actually. That ain't horrible at all. Next, I'm going to balance out the under eyes with some more of that matte purple. I'm gonna add a little inner corner highlight with this lighter color, and a little goes a long way. This is really pretty. I'm gonna take it up just a little bit. I'm gonna apply this Bold and Sexy Liquid Eyeliner. I just want to get a little bit of some winged action here. Just a very thin line, actually. Matter of fact, I'm not even gonna wing it. I'm just gonna like apply to the base of the lash line. Next is mascara time. I'm taking this Full Effect mascara, also from Black Radiance, because this is a one brand tutorial featuring Black Radiance. I did have a chance to try out this mascara. I am not a fan, that's for sure. I just don't think it gives me the volume that I like. I like voluminous lashes. I mean, it kind of does lengthen, but crap, not by much. And this brush is just super weird and like plasticky feeling. I just wish it wasn't so plasticky. Let me fix that right here. What I gotta do now is maybe do a little bit of nose contouring and highlighting, just a little bit. I'm not gonna bronze the sides of my face because I've hit pan on here, but whatever I can scoop up from the rim, I'm just gonna contour. I love this contour color. I wish I could sell them individually. Now I'm taking the highlight color and highlighting the center of my face. And Black Radiance has some really beautiful highlighters and blushes. I don't think I have a blush here. This highlight is everything. Everything. Perfect. Like I said, I don't have any Black Radiance blushes on me, so I'm gonna move on straight into lips. Black Radiance did come out with a couple of new matte lipsticks. I only have 4 here, but they do have another one, which I don't really know where it is right now. All right, so I'm taking Naughty Brown. This is actually a nice nude, but I don't know if it fits well with the look. I mean, I guess it does, but I kind of want something a bit more in your face. So I'm going to be taking Melanin Princess, which this is a matte lip color. So it's got glitter in it and it dries matte. I've used this before. I love the color. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm just applying this over top. I definitely like this a lot better. Being that Black Radiance doesn't have a setting spray, I am going to bend the rules a bit and take my Pixi Makeup Setting Spray. This is drugstore, in case, you know, you want me to keep it all drugstore. I have this right here. So here is the completed makeup look using all of these Black Radiance goodies. Definitely have some favorites. I like the way the primer makes me feel. It's super thick and it goes on transparent. This trio right here, super pigmented, top notch. If you are a woman of color and looking for something pigmented, affordable, and cruelty-free, you have found it in this baby right here. I could tell you that. And you know what? The concealer really surprised me. Very just like easily blendable, definitely pigmented. Like, I absolutely love it. And I definitely have to give kudos to the lipstick. Purple is my everything. This Melanin Princess right here is on points. That's all I gotta say about that. If you like this video, please help a sister out and give me a big thumbs up. And also comment down below and let me know what other sorts of one brand makeup tutorials you would like for me to film next. Be mindful, I only go for products that are cruelty-free and or vegan. Share this video, of course, and remember to subscribe because I make videos all the time. And that is all. Feel free to check out Ambra's makeup tutorial. I will leave it somewhere up top at the end of this video and in the description box down below. Like, please let her know that I sent you, and just, you know what, just enjoy, because her makeup skills are the bomb. That is all. I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.